Adventure Man Productions on YouTube. 3,000 movies in 30 countries, catching a California sunset by the One Tree Lighthouse. And on these jetties out here we catch the lingcod and black snapper. And on the pier over there we catch the Dungeness crab and the red crab. And there's a little lighthouse out there in the mountains and everything. This is the Adventure Man mobile. And we're having a ceremony going on right now. The changing of the crab. So the changing of the crab, we basically flip the lid and then we cram the lid with some more fresh. This is a red rock crab, and then we take the red rock crab and then take out the Dungeness crab. Let me just cook. And then still piping hot. You gotta do this quick so the birds don't steal it. And then, well, that's cooling off. We go back in the Adventure Man mobile and get ready for the next batch. All you need is you gotta flip it just right. It's all on the wrist. It's like flipping pancakes. And then you got an 800-watt power inverter, Black & Decker, hook it to your battery, a $20 egg cooker from Kmart, and then you crank it on, clear. And then for added boost, crank the car up, get a little more power. So these will be cooking now, and we'll go out and tear up those Dungeness crab. And all you need for them is a good pair of pliers. But it's pretty soft shell, so it'll come off pretty easy. So that's the changing of the crab in the Adventure Man mobile. Somewhere in California. Catching the sunset. And tearing up the crab. So thanks for coming. And y'all come back now here. Happy trails until we meet again. Dream as though you live forever. Live as though you die today. And happy trails until we meet again. It's Adventure Man from Adventure Man Productions on YouTube. 3,000 movies, 30 countries. Every country in Asia, every country in Europe, Russia and China in between. Manchuria, Mongolia, Tibet. All the nicest places of the world. Just a click away. Adventure Man Productions, over and out. Yummy. So that's how you cook crab in the car. You see those legs are still moving around, man. Watch out for the seagulls, man.